Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be basically just cleaning my cabinets, and I'm also going to be refreshing them with some paint, y'all, because my white cabinets are so dirty and I need those to be clean. As you already know, I hate my white cabinets because I have children, but no need to complain. I'm just going to go ahead and clean them. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So the wall that I just showed you guys is actually where my trash can goes, and it made my wall so disgusting, y'all. So I'm just gonna go in, wipe that wall down, and get it ready for Babe to paint. Y'all, I could not get these knives off this cabinet. They were stuck so bad, so I just left them and went head on with my painting. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing today and what you guys are cooking for dinner or eating, because you might not be cooking.
You are what I waited for. The sky when I'm down, 'cause when I'm with you I'm fine. When you go I'm sad. I like my life with you, oh, 'cause you are my one love, and I'm not saying lies. You're the one in my heart. You make me feel like I feel crazy when you make me smile. Feel like I can fly. One love, and I'm not saying lies. I feel crazy. what I needed. I believe you, it's no secret. When it feels like I've been bleeding, you can pick up all the pieces. Now I know you're what I needed. When it hurts and I can't feel it, now I know you're never leaving. You're safe inside your keeping. Take the worry, you can keep it. Nothing too far for your reaching. You're the rhyme, you're the reason. Watching over when I'm sleeping. You just gon' turn on my ups and options. Now I'm gonna walk in the blood, I've been watched it. Every time I'm watching your grace, I get lost in it. Yeah, you know the way you've been bossing. Everybody change on the floor when you drop it. I ain't gotta worry about the waves when they tossing. Now I know you're what I needed.
So I'm cooking dinner. I just want to show you guys what I'm cooking. I'm cooking these red potatoes. What it look like. I already got some of them cut up. I got some olive oil in my pan, you guys, and I'm going to be covering it with this right here, this garlic Parmesan roasted potatoes, you guys. It's quick mix. I'm also going to be making some some corn, you guys. I don't know what I'm talking about, eggs, y'all, but anyway, I'm going to be making some corn on the cob, making 2 packs. Now, I got a big family, so I'm going to be making 2 packs of that, you guys. I already have my baked chicken in the oven right now. I'll show you guys that. So I have the chicken in the oven, you guys, and it's ready to go.
I know you're what I needed. I believe you, it's no secret. When it feels like I've been bleeding, you can pick up all the pieces. Now I know you're what I needed. When it hurts and I can't feel it, now I know you're never leaving.
Y'all, so right now I'm just rubbing my potatoes down with olive oil, and I'm going to go in with my seasoning to go over these potatoes as well, you guys. This was so quick and easy, and they actually were really, really good.
You're safe inside your keeping. All up in my head now, I'm picking up the pen now. But when I go to write it out, I don't know what to write about. Oh, there's fragments of my brain on the floor. Please don't attack me for the mess I made. Lord, I really need your grace, and I know you're gonna hear me out. You made me in a secret place, and you know just what I'm thinking about. When I don't say a word, you know just how I'm feeling. You see me, and now I know you what I needed. I believe you, it's no secret. And when it feels like I've been bleeding, you come and pick up all the pieces. And now I know you what I needed. When it hurts and I can feel it, now I know you're never leaving. Here I'm safe inside your keeping. Now I know you're what I needed.